Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Just a little video here to basically showcase a little intro I've done. So please give us your thoughts in the comments below, good or bad. It's only a little thing that I've just sort of quickly chucked together, so you know. Also, another little bit to this video is just to explain a little bit of what's going to be going on in the next couple of videos. I've got an off-topic video from the series coming on, which is to rebuild a cylinder head, which is just here, and then part of the next part of the series is to do my wheels. So I've got to get this bike more stable. So let's check out that. Right, so here we are at the wheels. These have been a bit of a mess, a bit of a nightmare to do, to be honest. I first started with some cheap paint stripper because these have got a fair few layers of paint on them now. So I wanted to take them all the way back to metal and start again. So I've got some cheap old nasty paint stripper. Didn't do a thing other than really react badly with the proper Nitromors that I put on. That ended up turning really gooey and nasty. I've used Nitromors several times before, and I don't know whether it was something to do with the cheaper paint stripper or the fact that there's so much paint on these wheels, but it just didn't go well. It just turned really gooey, nasty, hard to get off. It's just a nightmare. So I ended up letting it dry, and then now just this really nasty, rough, horrible. Yeah, so I did do a little bit of rubbing down at work, realised, you know, the paint is stuck on there hard as well. I did go to B&Q earlier on to have a look, see if they have abrasive wheels, and they've only got ones that attach to drills, and I've got those and they haven't really touched it, so I'm not going to bother with that. I need one on an angle grinder really. These are the paints I'm doing with. Just got some high coat and U-pole stuff. I've got some X primer. We're going back white. Going to sticker the wheels up basically the same as how they were before, because I like that design, and then they're going to be lacquered over. Got some nice Pirelli P0 Rosso 3s to go on. Bit of a summer tyre, so they might be a bit sketchy for the springtime when it's still a bit cold, but I think we'll be alright. I hope we'll be alright anyway. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, I need to get these wheels put back up because the bike being on these stands like this, you know, she's hiding nice and warm and tucked away under there. I'm just very worried about it being knocked over on these stands, even though they are secure. It's, you know, it's just a bit sketchy with a bike with no wheels. So on to the next bit, and I'll show you this head. So we're going to be doing a little video on this cylinder head here. It's off FZ6. I've actually had someone contact me asking for a fresh FZ6 head, and I have many of these from all the conversions I've done and stuff. Most of them are bad with all bastardized studs, or you know, these bits broken off where people have tried to just completely destroy them. I don't know how. This one seems to be alright. I have got the caps because they are specific to the heads. They are put on and then line bored through. So yes, I have got the caps for this head, and I've got the cams as well, which will be going with the head. There is one stud to drill out, or hopefully get out with a bit of heat, because there is a bit still left on there poking out, so we'll try that first. But yeah, there is going to be a video on this head, rebuilding it, stripping it all down, and we're taking the valves and stuff to work and using the soda blaster on those, cleaning those all up, check it for flatness, give it a good clean up, relap all the valves in, make sure they're straight, make sure nothing, none of the valve guides are worn or anything like that. Check all the shims, you know, the valve clearances, make sure we're all good, and then we'll be good to go on that. So there will be a little video coming on that one too. So that's about it, guys. Like I say, just a short little video just to tell you what's up and coming on the channel with these couple of videos, and also to sort of showcase my little intro there. So if you do like, or even if you don't, please let us know what you think in the comments. Everything helps. Every like, every comment, subscribe, bell, everything. So if you could just do us a favour, hit that subscribe, give us a comment, that'd be fantastic. Trying to grow the channel. I'm nearly at 2,000 subscribers now, so you know, it's been a long old slog to get there, but it is slowly picking up, and I'm slowly getting more views, and I'm really appreciating it. Well, I don't know what that was. Really appreciating it, guys. So thanks. Just thanks for your continued support, and I'll quit the waffling now, and we'll get on with recording these next videos, so you've got something to watch. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.